Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply for digital nomad visa Portugal. So the process is very simple. So firstly what you do is you simply gather the required documents like passport. So just to ensure your passport is valid for the intended duration of your stay. Then proof of accommodation. So you will need to give evidence of where you will stay in Portugal. This can be a rental agreement or a hotel reservation. Then you also have to add your financial documents. So prepare bank statements or other financial proof to demonstrate your financial stability during your stay. Then you may also need health insurance. So just simply obtain a comprehensive health insurance that covers your entire stay in Portugal. Then a work contract or proof of remote work. So what you do is just simply provide documents that prove your remote work agreement. Then after that, just simply contact the Portuguese consulate or embassy in your home country to schedule an appointment for visa application. You can also check their website for specific requirements and appointment procedures. Now after that, when you are filling up the form, digital nomad visa application form provided by the consulate, and be thorough and accurate in your responses. Also, pay the visa application fee as required by the consulate. Then just simply attend your scheduled appointment at the Portuguese consulate or embassy. Submit your complete application form with required documents and proof of fee payment. And after that, just simply wait for the processing, because the processing time for the digital nomad visa may vary, but it usually takes several weeks. And be prepared for potential request for additional documents or information during the processing period. Then once your application is approved, you will receive a notification from the consulate. So you will have a limited window, usually 4 months, to enter Portugal after your visa is approved. So plan your travel accordingly. Now after arriving in Portugal, you must firstly register your residency within this specific time frame and also follow the local registration procedure as instructed by the Portuguese authorities. So lastly, just simply enjoy your nomad lifestyle with your digital nomad visa. You can live and work in Portugal while exploring the city and experiencing its culture. So in the end, an important side note, please note that visa requirements and processes can change over time. So it's crucial to check official website of the Portuguese consulate or embassy in your country for most of the current and detailed information on applying for the digital nomad visa in Portugal. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.